This video is about the detailed explanation on the content of a fire emergency plan. A fire emergency plan should cover a number of issues: how people will be warned, the type of fire alarm system on the premises, how it alerts people, what action people should take on discovering a fire, immediate evacuation of the building, actions to be taken to deal with the fire, action people should take in the event of a fire, actions necessary to safeguard the situation before following the means of escape to a place of safety, arrangements for calling the fire and rescue service, what individuals may have to do to contact the fire and rescue service, details of any automatic calling system, isolations, any actions required to safeguard the situation by isolating hazardous plant or equipment, fire alarm activities, special actions that individuals might have to take on hearing the fire alarm, e.g. checking alarm panels, disabling lifts, directing people to the exits, preparing vertical, horizontal, or phased evacuation, providing assistance for the disabled, evacuation procedure to be followed in order to evacuate the building and assemble at a place of safety, arrangements to ensure the safe evacuation of any vulnerable persons, assembly points, location and description of designated assembly points, firefighting arrangements, provision of both portable and fixed firefighting equipment, procedures for meeting the fire and rescue service on arrival, designation of persons on duty at the scene of any incident involving a fire and their role in liaising with the fire service, arrangements for vehicle and building access for the fire service, provision of information on the incident, on the contents of a particular building, on any hazardous materials or processes and facilities that might create a risk to firefighters carrying out their duties. Under current fire safety legislation, the persons having responsibility for the building must provide a fire safety risk assessment that includes an emergency evacuation plan for all people likely to be in the premises, including vulnerable people and those with disabilities. This includes electric wheelchair users, mobility impaired persons, visually impaired persons, hearing impaired persons. Thank you for watching the content of Fire Emergency Plan.